So this is a very quick analysis of the Euro USD. Currently it's the 11th of July 2021. So it's a Sunday and the markets are currently closed. So what can we expect from the Euro USD for the coming week? Well, according to one of my videos, my analysis is made based on the MACD. So we will very quickly add the MACD to the screen. The MACD is 30, 110 and set to close. So we'll add that to the screen now. And you'll notice that this arrow here is based on not just the standard crossover of the MACD, because that would be on this candle here. This indicator is based on the MACD crossover, but plus 3 pips or minus 3 pips. So that means that not only has the MACD got to cross over the zero line, but it's got to do so with 3 pips. So there you go. And if we were to scroll back, you'd see a down arrow here on the crossover, but it didn't cross completely over, but it's come back down and 3 pips is there. So obviously that would have been a fantastic trade to make. So let's just go back to the current situation on the Euro USD. This is the 1 hour chart. On the face of it, you see a low, a high, a lower low, and a higher high. And you might think, well, it's in an uptrend. And to be fair, it may be the case. If we see a lower low, it may continue to go up. But if we were just to scroll out on this chart a little bit, you will notice that I use another indicator. This is a multi-time frame indicator, moving average. It's based on the 1 day. So if you was to go to a 1 day chart, you would notice that price would be below this moving average, a 20 period simple moving average. So on the 1 hour chart, it plots the 1 day moving average on this 1 hour chart. And you'll notice that price is below the moving average. So although this short term might look like an uptrend, in the long run, we are very much in a downtrend, as you can see from this. We've been in a downtrend for quite a long period of time. So I would only be looking for a sell. Now, however you want to get into the market would be up to you. There are so many different ways. I've done a strategy on a Heikin-Ashi candle strategy, which would help me get into the trade, into a sell trade here. Or you can use this simple indicator that I've created based on the MACD crossover, and you would simply look for a crossover of the zero line on the MACD plus 3 pips, and you would look to sell the market, even though in the short term it looks like we could be going into an upward movement. Price is still very much below the multi-time frame moving average, so therefore I would only be looking to sell the market. Maybe in your trading strategy you have a way in which you would sell or buy. So at the moment you might want to implement that based on the fact that price is below the 1 day moving average on the chart on the Euro USD. If you would like either of these two indicators, just go over to my website, oldmanwisdom.co.uk, and you can download the indicators there. But anyway, this is my very, very simple, straightforward strategy for the Euro USD in the week ahead. I am still biased to the downside. So I would not be looking to buy unless price closed and went above this 1-day moving average. So maybe I'll do an update if price does go above the moving average. But in the meantime, I'm only looking to sell. I hope this helps. And I hope you all have an excellent week trading the Forex market this week.